Okay, let us start with third AV. We come up to this topic. An indefinite pronoun does not refer directly to any other word. Most indefinite pronouns express the idea or quantity. For example, everybody is welcome at the meeting. Many prefer their coffee with sugar. Does anybody care for a cheese sandwich? Few choose to live in the arid desert. These are indefinite pronouns. Now we turn to next. These are the examples of indefinite pronoun: all, another, any, anybody, anyone, both, each, either, everybody, everyone, few, many, most, neither, nobody, no one, none, one, other, several, some, somebody, someone, such. All these are example of indefinite pronoun. Now turn to next, reciprocal pronouns. It expresses a relationship between the individuals indicated in the plural subject. Two boys fought with each other. Here, each other is a reciprocal pronoun. Some more examples. The boys fought with one another. The members of the family love one another. Now, next part, interrogative pronouns or relative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions. The words who, whose, what, which, and whom are interrogative pronouns. Examples: who used all my paper? Who is mom talking to? Who are those people? These are interrogative pronouns. Some more example: whose pen is this? Whose are these shoes? What is your brother's name? What does Tom want? What is the date today? These are called as interrogative pronouns. Now we turn to next parts of speech. Verb. A verb is described as a word which is used to indicate action, a state of being, existence, or possession. Verbs are of three types: transitive verb, intransitive verb, auxiliary verb, or helping verb. Types of verb. First verb, transitive verb. In Marathi it is called as सकर्मक क्रियापद. कर्मासह येणारं त्याला म्हणतात सकर्मक क्रियापद, transitive verb. The verb which comes with object is called as transitive verb. For example, Ram writes a letter. In this sentence, the verb write, this is verb. The verb write come with the object later. He object आहे later. What he writes, we will get answer later. So write is transitive verb. This is transitive verb. Second, she sings a song. In this sentence, the verb sing come with the object a song. So sing is a transitive verb. The verb which comes without object is called intransitive verb. ज्याला आपण अकर्मक क्रियापद, कर्माच्या विरहित येणारं. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, राम राइट्स. राम राइट्स. In this sentence, the verb write stand independently without any object. So write is intransitive verb. ज्या क्रियापदाला कर्माची आवश्यकता असते त्याला म्हणतात सकर्मक क्रियापद. ज्या क्रियापदाला कर्माची आवश्यकता नसते त्या क्रियापदाला म्हणतात अकर्मक क्रियापद. इथे या क्रियापदाला कर्माची आवश्यकता नाही आहे, परंतु ट्रान्झिटिव्ह व्हर्बमध्ये अ लेटर हे ऑब्जेक्ट आलेलं आहे, कर्म आलेलं आहे. अ सॉन्ग हे कर्म आलेलं आहे. सकर्मक क्रियापद ट्रान्झिटिव्ह व्हर्ब आणि अकर्मक क्रियापद हे जे आहे शी सिंग्स. In this sentence, the verb sing stands independently without any object. So sing is intransitive verb. हे जे आहेत हे intransitive verbs आहेत. Next one, auxiliary verb or helping verb. There are two types of auxiliary verb. Primary auxiliary verb ज्याला प्राथमिक स्वरूपाचे सहाय्यकारी क्रियापद असं म्हणतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, बी फॉर्म्स म्हणजे याला आपण टू बी फॉर्म असं म्हणतो. एम इज आर यूज इन प्रेझेंट टेन्स. वॉज वेअर यूज इन पास्ट टेन्स. Have forms, have has used in present tense, had used in the past tense. Do forms, do does used in present tense, did done used in past tense. And shall will also come into primary auxiliary verb. But we turn to next part, that means second, model auxiliary verb. Model auxiliary verbs used to express various moods and attitude of speaker like hope, expectations, possibility. These are model auxiliary verb, can, could, shall, should, will, would, may, might, must, ought to, dare, need to, have to, ought to. These are model auxiliary verb which are indicating particular mood of the speaker at particular situation, and so it is called as model auxiliary verb. Now we turn to next adverb. An adverb is a word which qualifies or modifies a verb, an adjective or another adverb. An adverb is a word which qualifies or modifies a verb, an adjective or another adverb. For example, Raj runs quickly. कसा पळतो? You will get the answer quickly. In this sentence, the word qualifies the verb runs. म्हणजे कशा action, in what way action took place? Quickly. This is adverb. This is very sweet apple. In this sentence, very modifies the adjective sweet. ऐका. Very, this is adverb. Amit writes hurriedly. In this sentence, hurriedly modifies the verb write. Hurriedly. In what way he writes? You will get answer hurriedly. In what way action took place? That means an adverb always qualifies or modifies a verb, an adjective or another adverb. Commonly adverbs are formed from adjectives. Some are below. These are adjective and these are adverb. By using ly suffix, you can make adverb. Kind, kindly. Happy, happily. Wonderful, wonderfully. Loud, loudly. Sad, sadly. Beautiful, beautifully. Sweet, sweetly. All these are adverbs. In what way action took place? By using ly suffix. Kinds of adverb. Adverbs of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time, adverb of frequency, adverb of purpose or reason. Adverb of manner, it describes in which manner an action is done. Adverb of place, it describes where an action is done. Adverb of time, it describes when an action is done. Adverb of frequency, it shows how many times an action is done. Adverb of purpose, it describes the purpose or reason for the action. Adverb of quantity or degree, it shows how much or in what degree or to what extent. Adverb of affirmation or negation, which says yes if it is yes and no if it is no. These are the kinds of adverb. Now adverbs of place. Some adverbs and adverb phrases answer the question where. They are called adverbs of place. Now these are adverbs of place. The boy are playing upstairs. Now it's showing place upstairs. The dog is in the garden place. We are going to New York City, New York place. It's very sunny but cold outside. Outside is one of the place. Next, adverbs of manner. Some adverbs and adverb phrases describe the way of people do things. Example, the girls answered all the questions correctly. Mannerism. In what way action took place? Correctly. He was driving carelessly. The plane landed safely. Ramu plays guitar skillfully. Now, mannerism. It shows manner. Adverb of frequency. Varamvarita. Some adverbs and adverb phrases answer the question how often an action is done. They are called adverbs of frequency. For example, the children always go to school on the bus. Always. I will never make that mistake again. I clean my bedroom every day. Dad polishes his shoes twice a week. These are adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of time. It shows time. We shall now begin to work now. He called here a few minutes ago. I have spoken to him. Okay, here we stop.